Hello guys, today's video will be the continuation of the previous class on easy way to learn computer. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about the computer desktop. The computer desktop is typically referred to the main screen you see after you log in, which you can see here. This is my computer desktop we're looking at right now. It serves as a primary interface where you can interact with your file, with your folders, with your application and the rest of it. The computer usually features a background image, which you can see on my laptop. You can see there's an image here on my computer desktop. The image can be customized to your liking. I can tell you to change my background image anytime I want. All you need to do is just to right click on your computer desktop, click on personalize, then you choose any of these theme you want. That's just all you need to do. Choose the theme you want, then it will automatically reflect on your computer desktop. So that's it. On the desktop, we have icons which represent various items such as application. It could be application, it could be folders or file. Desktop icon are small graphical representation of file, folder, application or system functions that appear on the desktop of your computer. As you can see here, I have my folders, I have my applications, I have my system function here, as you can see on my computer. They serve as shortcuts that allow users to quickly access or open the item they want with a double click. For instance, application software opens software program. For an example now, my Chrome browser is an example of application icon. So with a double click, I can easily open my Chrome browser on my laptop. Same thing with file or folder icons. It allows me to open specific file. Like for an example now, if I want to open this combined folder here, it can easily allow me to access it. Same thing with system icon. It allows me to quickly access system functions like the recycle bin. As you can see here, this is my recycle bin that I'm trying to open. So the icons are customizable, meaning you can move them around. I can move them any I want to, or delete them. As you can see, I can delete any of the icon if I want to. So at the bottom of the screen, there is often the taskbar. The taskbar usually displays open application, system notification, and essential utilities like your clock, my volume, my internet connection, and the rest of it. You can also pin your open application on the taskbar. All you need to do is just to right click on the icon of the application you want to pin on the taskbar and click on pin to taskbar. As you can see here, pin this program to taskbar. That's all you need to do, and your program or the application will be pinned to your taskbar. On the left side of the taskbar, there is typically a start menu which provides access to install program, as you can see here, or setting, or the power option which we have here. On some systems, there may be some widgets or gadgets on the desktop offering quick access to the information like weather, calendar, or system performances. This description can vary slightly depending on your operating system, like Windows, Mac OS, and the rest. That will be all on this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel to be part of our computer class. In the next class, we will learn how to type and increase our typing speed. Thank you.